Welcome to another WakeNbake Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a lemon poppy seed cake. When you want to try a cake which is a little different as usual, this recipe is really worth a try. Let's start with the ingredients. All-purpose flour, sugar, butter, milk, baking powder, salt, vegetable oil, eggs, lemon zest, poppy seeds and lemon. We need lemon juice for our cake, so we will use half a lemon to squeeze it out. Now add your sugar and lemon zest into a bowl. Mix it together. The sugar will absorb the oil out of the lemon zest and that will give a strong lemon flavor to your cake. Now add your soft butter. Use a spatula to mix the butter. You should mix until it looks creamy. Now we can add our vegetable oil. And mix again until there is no more oil visible. Then switch to a whisk and mix until it looks light and fluffy. Now we can add our eggs, but not at the same time. Let it absorb before adding the second one. Next is our lemon juice and mix again. Now it's time to add our flour, baking powder and salt. It's important to use a sieve for this. Mix until there is no more flour visible. Now add your milk. Start mixing using a spatula. When the milk is fully absorbed, switch to a whisk and mix until creamy. Now add your poppy seeds and mix well. Put the batter into a cake tin and don't forget to grease it with some oil. I like to decorate my cake with some lemon glaze, but that's up to you. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.